Big power. How far now? Big power. To Jometao, man. Come on. Work busy this week, eh? Big power. Hey, now it don't reach 1 week. We not even see, we not even chat, we not even yarn. I say one guy with me and him day section for work. The guy just go take 1 week holiday. Now so all in work just rest on top me. I tell you, man. But thank God say na Saturday with day, man. Thank God na Saturday with this. Happy Saturday, everybody. She don't see the title. We dey prepare to gym. You know? We dey prepare to gym, but before we gym, all the feelings where we don't carry come from work. We dey remove them, make it come out before we enter our own gym. You understand? Now step by step be everything, man. We just they do things step by step, my friend. Now wow. So one girl just go copy my own style of talking. Now she just see me. Now she tell me say, "What's up, my friend?" I go laugh. I say, now my voice you use so. Now my voice you go use so. You know. Good morning, my friend. We are going into the mood of gym little by little, but before we go into this gym, you know, we got to be set. The mindset have to be real proper, man. We got to remove this mindset of that work we're going to do for the week. Get it off. We got to put on one garment of gym. Yeah. Process. Apart from this gym thing, where they do for here, if you're in Japan where you need work, thank you for the love. See our first person where they give us love. I clap for you. You understand? But if you're in Japan, where you say they find work, you understand? DMO, we go fix you for work or work day. DM, work day. They wait for you. Make sure say you sabi speak little Nihongo. Little, not too much, just little. You sabi hear when they talk, you can hear. You understand little bit. Leave the rest. Okay? That's it. I go give one of our brother. I go give her a job now. I give her a job. They schedule appointment for 2:00. The guy came 3:30. He done late 1 hour 30 minutes late. No be say guy just late oh. No be say just late. He still carry one guy come join body come. The guy with the interview self, we come for interview. No be him come they answer the interview question. Now the guy we go carry come they answer question. Come look up. Wow. The guy way be the interviewer self. The guy now so the guy run come out for the office, come meet me for where I did. Now he come tell me say, oh boy, this one passing power. He don't hint me say, I don't think say we go fit take this one no. He say number 1, the guy don't late come. He say number 2, make I see the situation. The guy where I bring come. No be him the answer question for himself. He say now the guy where him carry come the answer question on his behalf. He say now he no know who really want work. when this man tell me, say, he say, guy, he say, bro, he say, see, it's not about being nice, oh. Honestly, I know they like to disappoint you, but no matter how nice you are, this one, we know if you take her. He say, no, go take this guy, oh. Now I tell him, say, I can't tell the guy, the interviewer, say, Omo, you correct now? You correct? I said, you correct. What do you make I do? I don't try. I don't guide you, connect you, fix you, they talk to you. The interview connect. I still guide you from where you dey, how you go enter train, how you go land. So you can't carry somebody, join body come. Now come sit down together for the interview up front. You no come fit speak. The guy can't dey speak for you. My interviewer go verse now. They go verse. I dey tell my brother, say, you no go read history. You no read history. When they put Buhari for power and Idi Agbon, where Buhari na president, na Idi Agbon the yarn, they know the year Buhari voice. You know read history, say somebody verse. You know who verse? Maradona. Babangida na him verse. He pursue two of I been at two of them. I been at Buhari. He job. He pursue and come out there. Say you come out here. Come over and shake it. That is car. Say you don't be president. Okay. Hey. So as the guy come meet me now, wait, tell me all those things. Now I look and say, look, even me, I cannot defend this one. You don't wrong. You don't wrong. I look at. Now I call my brother, say, guy, you made mistake or you fuck up, oh. Because that thing where you do now, you don't even show the interviewer, say, you no fit speak for yourself. And you no fit stand on your own. Even they give you the job, they don't show, say, you go, they carry the guy, come, make it come, they tell you waiting that they talk. Interviewer say, no, who want